Welcome to this short presentation on the solution for e-tendering. We will show you how to create a sourcing event, follow the status of the document, keeping records for all the process, paperless and accessible from any computer with internet connection. The UN will be using SAP Ariba for managing solicitations, for example, RFQ, ITB and RFP. The process begins with a correct shopping cart in UMajar SRM, together with an SOW. The unifying thread between UMajar SRM and SAP Ariba is the shopping cart number. From there, the process continues with a series of documents and approvals, directed by workflows, up to the award of the solicitation. From there, the procurement official will mark the awarded vendor, in SRM, as per current process, with a contract, or PO. It is important to pay due diligence in the creation of the shopping cart, as it derives much important information. Accuracy is key. Once a shopping cart, with all the correct details, has been approved, together with SOW attached, if applicable, the process begins in SAP Ariba by the procurement official, who creates the sourcing project. Procurement official logs in Ariba network and creates a sourcing project. Procurement official completes the fields, including name of the project, requisitioning office, baseline spent, shopping cart number, categorization of the materials or services, purchasing group, and creates the team that is involved in this solicitation project, by identifying the responsible requisitioner, project owner, technical and financial evaluators, and tender opening committee. Sourcing project is comprised of two documents, Source Selection Plan, and Sourcing Event. Both documents are managed by the procurement official. The first one is for internal use, and the second one is the event published to the prospective vendors. They can be worked on in parallel, but the event cannot be published until SSP is approved. We are going to step into the sourcing event to search for the vendors that are to be invited to this particular solicitation. Procurement official creates an event by clicking Open. Creates a sourcing event within the project. And adds all the potential suppliers to be invited to the sourcing event. Procurement official opens the source selection plan and completes it with the information regarding the activities of the overall sourcing event. Procurement official also updates documents such as risk factors and evaluation criteria. This is the place used to upload other relevant information, such as LPA. The Tasks tab assists the procurement official in ensuring that no document or step is missing prior to the issue of the solicitation. According to this task list, procurement official needs to submit the SSP for approval. Procurement official submits the SSP for approval of the requisitioner and team leader. Procurement approver clicks Submit. Procurement official can follow up the status of the approval by checking the approval flow. FIST approver is the requisitioner. Team leader is based on procurement division organizational structure. In this example, requisitioner has approved the SSP, while team leader is pending approval. As approver, you will receive an automatic generated email from Ariba network like this one. Click here to access the system. This enables you to review the SSP prior approving or denying. Automatic notification is sent with a decision. Let's go back to the sourcing event, where we listed the invited vendors earlier in this video. The rest of the sourcing event is blank and procurement official needs to populate it before publishing. Procurement official completes the details of the sourcing event. This is the content of the solicitation document. From Introduction, we will scroll down until Annexes. And then until the SOW. This is where procurement official attaches the SOW. Here the procurement official adds technical evaluation criteria. And here the commercial evaluation criteria. Hits the button Next up to the submission for approver. You are mapped as approver, based on the procurement delegation approval limits. As approver, you receive an automatic generated email, from the Ariba network, for you to take action. Click in the email, or navigate to your Ariba dashboard, and select My Tasks, in the upper right side corner. Once in your tasks, selecting any projects and approver, reviewer, watcher, recipient, ensures that no project is pending your action. Once the project you are looking for appears, click on it to approve or deny. The clock down, shown at the top right of the screens, informs vendors the time left to the closure of the deadline for submission of proposals. Procurement official can set email reminders to be sent to vendors. Once clock down marks 0, it's not possible to submit late proposals. Vendors and procurement officials can communicate, as long as it is within deadline, by hitting Compose Message button. Procurement official can send communication to one or all vendors, while keeping confidentiality. History of communication records are kept in the sourcing event file. As the Tender Opening Committee, or TOC, you will need to open Envelope 1, to make the responses available to respective evaluators. In case of an RFP, to envelope evaluation, the Envelope 1 corresponds to the technical proposal, and for an RFQ, or ITB, 1 envelope evaluation, it corresponds to the technical and commercial proposal. Navigate to the Documents tab, expand the Sourcing Event folder, and click on the event, and then click on Monitor. Navigate to the top right corner, and click on the Actions drop-down. Click Open Envelope. And TOC member can see. They will be able to review the selected participants, suppliers, and envelope content. Thanks for watching. For any queries, please contact Ariba team, in Umajar Coordination Service, at ariba.e-tendering@un.org.